They're tears nobody sees. The tears you wipe away before walking into the room. The tears that come when the house gets quiet. The tears caused by people you lost, prayers that seemed unanswered, and wounds you learned to carry without ever talking about them. But here's what I want you to remember. Your tears have an expiration date. There is coming a day when you will cry for the last time. No more hospitals, no more funerals, no more cancer, no more broken hearts, no more saying goodbye, no more waking up wishing someone you loved was still here. God makes a promise about eternity, and God shall wipe away all tears from their eyes, and there shall be no more death, neither sorrow nor crying, neither shall there be any more pain. Revelation 21, verse 4. Think about that. The God who saw every tear you've ever cried will one day wipe the very last one away. And after that, no more tears, not one. So whatever you're walking through today, keep walking. This life is not the ending. For those who belong to Christ, something beautiful is waiting beyond the pain. A new body, a new home, an eternity where nothing hurts anymore. No tears in heaven, no tears up there. And maybe that's exactly why we shouldn't give up down here. This is Restored Life After.